Good afternoon, Miss
Afternoon.
Ira. Good afternoon, Mr. Fajar, Mr. Sapta. Good afternoon. Today, we are joined with my planning ship chartering. Before that, I ask all, how are you today?
Fine.
Fine?
Yes, sir.
I think not complete, yeah. Maybe have any absent, yeah. Okay. Ship chartering, ya. Ship chartering in Indonesian sewa menyewa kapal, ya. Jadi who ship to contract with charterer. Remember last week we are joined with materi charter party. I mean charter party now planning with time charter, special only time charter. I'm sorry, time charter. Last week in materi charter party. Charter party is the list of a ship within a certain period of time and in accordance with the agreement between the first party and the second party. In this question, we have ship owner and charterer do have a contract with charter party. Now, let's go to time charter. Time charter bagian dari charter party. Time charter is a time-based list of vessel within a specific period of time in a ready-to-sail condition. Usually contract period 6 months, 9 months, and 1 year, etc. Maybe Mr. Fajar, do you understand what I mean?
Different on time charter wedding party, charter party and wedding party.
Oh no wedding party. This is contract and ship owner and charterer. Pemilik kapal and yang menyewa kapal. Next slide. Time charter. Okay. Time charter is within a certain period. And then also provide by the owner are repair costs, responsibility, survey cost, insurance and lubrication, oil, and everything depend on the charter agreement. Now, in the time charter, ship owner must be responsibility about that. Repair cost, survey cost, insurance, lubrication, oil, and etc. In the time charter, we have a latent, lay day, and latent. Meaning is lifetime is the time point spent specific in the contract to carry out loading and unloading or charge at the port. Lifetime is expressed in days or hours of ton. This lifetime. And second, lay days are the number of days specific by the ship owner and charterer and the ship is ready to load. And third, Laikan as singkatan lay days and cancelling day is the rank of that a vessel must be present to be loaded at the port. Basically, a ship charter is a lease of ship space. The lease of ship space on the basic on charter party occurs when an agreement between the two parties concerned, namely, number one, ship owner who rent to ship room for transportation. Number two, the party renting the ship's space for the transportation of its goods or for other legitimate purpose. It means ship owner must be ready for our room in the ship, and charterer for contract and the room in the ship. Interest party in ship and charter. I mean ship owner and charteran. Only two pihak ya, dua pihak yang harus ada ya, harus ada. Now outline record in the agreement letter. Number one, the ins and outs of the chartered vessel. Number two, the port of delivery of the vessel by the ship owner to the charterer and the handover back from the charterer to the ship owner after the end of the charter period. Number three, have question? Mr. Sabta, have question? No? That is an obligation of the ship owner, charterer, and captain. 4. Charterer hire payment procedure and cost incurred by the ship owner. Number 5. Restriction on shipping traffic that might be navigated by the vessel reporting day, lay day, and cancelling day. If meaning reporting day, lay day, and cancelling day after that. Notice of readiness, submission, procedure term regarding of hire and on hire. Claim clause and the other term which are the integral part of the charter agreement. And then additional of the opening contract charter party. Number one, name and address ship owner. I think must like that. Name of the vessel, classification and capacity of the vessel to be chartered. And 3, name and address of the charterer. And ship owner and charterer must be have address complete where he live. And then duty of ship owner, charterer, and master. Responsibility about that. Number 1, ship owner. Ship owner must be the cost of provision, salary of the captain and crew, and overtime pay for crew. Second, provide or bear the cost of engine room and deck equipment and the cost of lubricating oil. 3, is responsible for the cost of drinking water for the master and crew. Number 4, responsibility for ship insurance premium. I mean that insurance, assurancy. 5, trying out to maintain the ship as well as possible to start quarantine seaworthy. Maybe if a ship must be seaworthiness. I think in Indonesian kapal layak laut. Kapal must be layak laut. And then liability response if of the charterer. Bear the cost of boiler water if steamship and fuel. is number one. Number two, cost, harbor foreign, pilotage, tugboat fee, and fee for harbor doctor. Number three, responsibility for the cost of loading and unloading of goods, tally, fee, and costs associated with loading and unloading. Number four, responsibility for the cost of surveying in the ship hull, the cost of repairing damage to the ship. Five, pay all expense or overtime of person working to salvage good. And six, paying ship rent on time. Must be like this responsibility about charterer. And then responsibility and obligation the master in a ship called as captain, and crew are employee of the ship owner but are obliged to assist the charterer in the carrying out his work during the time he is chartering the ship. Assistant the master this obliged the provide to the charterer. Number one, provide guide of navigation issues, because this master must be Indonesia bertanggung jawab membawa kapal. Number two, provide instruction in carry out loading and unloading. Number three, supervise the implementation of stockpiling and compaction in the hull of the ship, and always strive so that as much go as possible can be loaded according with the capacity of the ship. Have question? Maybe Mr. Sapta or Mr. Fajar, or maybe any other. Do you have a question? No? Continue. Passenger room. In time charter, it is the crew who take care of the passengers. Meal and the cost is borne by the ship owner, but the charterer receives the passenger mining money. They reimburse the cost of food and passenger service. The charterer pay the ship owner. For example, 15 of the passenger mining money to given to ship owner. And then the cost, for example, cost maybe 500 per day, so that two passenger, and this amount that the charterer pay to the boat owner. It is meaning reporting day, cancelling date. Reporting day, start date of the vessel reporting to the charterer, and then cancelling date, the last date the vessel report to the charterer, or the date of cancellation, as the charterer may cancel the charter agreement in the vessel has not arrived. I think ini last slide. Of hire and on hire. On hire mean the charterer hire exists or is taken into account even of the ship is idle. Of hire mean the charterer hire does not exist or they is not taken into account during a certain period of time. I think enough my presentation. Don't forget to do your assignment and stay a good person for your bright future. Thank you. Any question? If not question, maybe you must all join with my quiz in Kahoot. In Kahoot, please your phone maybe or your laptop. This only 10 soal, 10 number. Okay, this quiz we are today about time charter. Oh, internet. Maybe waiting today. Okay, please join with my Kahoot. Mr. Harry, please join, no problem. About time charter today, this for evaluation for time charter. Mr. Who? FT? Who FT? Fajar translasi, yes, I know, yes. Mr. FT ya, Fajar translator ya, luar biasa ya. And then, have joined anyone? HP Heri Prasetyo, yes, thank you ya. Tami ya, Tami, this the card, Tami? No. Okay. Indah, Mr. Indah, Mrs. Indah, I'm sorry. No join, no problem. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Number 1. Please choice is true. Where is it true? Yes. Who's correct? Very good. Yes, very good. Mrs. Tami, yes. Number 2. Fine that must be paid by the charterer if the ship exceed the exact working day when loading and unloading. Yes, demurrage ya. Demurrage. No problem. Number 3. Clause that read in the charterer of the ship. I think my presentation like have in material. Okay, 2% correct. Mr. Fajar is correct? Not correct. I think is my material have include drinking water, insurance. Yes? Whose responsibility? Yes. Okay. Ship insurance Ship owner, responsibility ship owner. Yes. It's correct. If you 9, 8, 7. Wow, I think my presentation tidak berhasil, tidak berhasil. Which include in the outline, not in the time charter. I think I have my material. No? Okay, 5, 4. Yeah, because which is not include, another include. Number X minutes in which this skipper, I mean skipper master, master. NOR. Oh, 1%, correct? Yes. Chartering without skipper and crew. No include master and crew. Charteran about? Yes. Blue is correct. Yes. Yes, last question. Below are the duties of owner agent except. I think is tambahan. Okay, no problem. I think enough. Abis. I think enough today. Maybe have any question? No? Oh, winner. Yes, winner. Mr. Fajar, yeah. Thank you, Mr. Fajar. Do you have somewhat special for me? Untuk berbuka. Yeah. Okay, I think enough my presentation about time charter. Thank you. See you next week.